Hey everyone, this is Mooney, one of the co-founders at Tabnex, and what I'm going to be doing for you today is showing you in under 5 minutes how the Tabnex solution works for job seekers, so you can get an idea of what it looks like from their perspective. Now at Tabnex, what we're doing is developing the smartest place to manage your job search. And what we're doing, and the way we're doing that, is by taking multiple aspects of the job search process and putting them together into one centralized solution, such that it's a one-stop shop for job seekers. And I'm going to show you exactly how that process works. So the first step in the Tabnex process is what's known as the extension. So an extension is a browser add-on that you would download. Think of it as a browser tool that you just add onto your Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using, and then that you can use on the go as you're going through the internet. So what you see here in the Tabnex extension is that when a job seeker lands on a job site, so in this case we used Indeed as an example, they would be able to see what jobs they like, and if they like it, they can simply click the save button and that job gets saved into the Tabnex platform. Now, when speaking to job seekers, what we've seen them do as a solution for now is usually bookmark their pages, keep tabs open, or save links in spreadsheets. And this can get very annoying and very messy and very time consuming when they want to go back to those jobs later. So we make it easier for job seekers to save a job into the Tabnex platform, where it then gets organized into what's known as the job feed. So picture your own Facebook feed where you can see everything your friends are doing, the pages you like, you see what they're up to, and it's all organized in a nice feed that lets you collect that information quickly. So we're doing something similar here where we're creating a job feed of all the jobs that you saved when you were job shopping across the web. Some examples, you could have gotten a job from LinkedIn. Here's the job we got from Indeed, and maybe you even got a job from Monster. Now, not only does Tabnex organize the jobs into a organized job feed, but it also does a lot of behind the scenes work to get you insights that may be of interest to you as a job seeker. So what we've done here is, grab the job title, the company, the location, and Tabnex has also taken the next step to go through other platforms and pull things like the salary range for that kind of job, whether it's full-time or part-time. It even grabs reviews from Glassdoor on the company, and also we're able to grab the connections from your LinkedIn for people in your network who are working at that company or have worked at that company. And to tie it all together, using this information and taking your resume and cross-checking it with the job description, we're able to provide you something known as a job compatibility score, the 75% over here. And what this does is it shows you which jobs you are most likely to be compatible with. And this allows job seekers to make decisions a lot more quickly as to which jobs they should spend time applying to. Now, once the job seeker has applied to the jobs that they want and that they feel that they're most compatible with, Tabnex provides the job seeker with a workflow or a pipeline feature that lets them keep track of all their applications at any point in time. They can see things like which jobs are shortlisted and are waiting to be applied, which ones have been applied to, which ones have received a response from the employer, and which ones have already received an interview, right? And it just gives them this bird's eye view of how their applications are doing and where their applications are at in their job search process, so that they never miss out on another opportunity again. And what you'll see at the top over here is some summarized statistics that make it easy for the job seeker to get some quick bird's eye glances at their performance. So, here at the top, we can see that, there's 8 new jobs that have been shortlisted. 3 of them are coming to an expiry soon. They even get reminders on when they have interviews coming up. And they can even set customized tags to kind of further organize their workflow that best meets their needs. So, for example, they can tag some jobs as high priorities. They can tag some of them as internships. Maybe even some could be in close proximity. Right? So it really allows them to customize their job search. And that is exactly how Tabnex works to organize and make the job search much more efficient for the job seeker. So it's really an all-in-one stop, everything from job discovery and saving all the way to application tracking, so that a job seeker stays organized and gets and lands the job they want. Thanks for listening.